This is the Garmin Fenix 6S. This device is a multi-sport GPS smartwatch that's part of Garmin's Fenix 6 series. This package comes with a Fenix 6S unit, an extra black silicone band, and a charging cable. The Fenix 6S is sleek and light at only 61 grams. Its display is protected by either Corning Gorilla Glass or sapphire crystal, while the bezel is made from either stainless steel or diamond-like carbon-coated steel. The 42mm case is fiber-reinforced polymer with a metal rear cover. The smartwatch features a 1.2-inch screen with a 240x240 resolution paired with a trans-reflective memory in pixel display. Out of the box, the Fenix 6 series includes topographic maps for outdoor adventures, ski maps for over 2,000 ski resorts worldwide, and 41,000 golf courses. It also comes with on-device music storage for up to 2,000 songs. All models in the series include enhanced wrist-based heart rate for all-day stress tracking, underwater wrist-based heart rate for swimming, and Pulse OX5 blood oxygen saturation to support advanced sleep monitoring and altitude acclimation. The Garmin Fenix 6S is available in Pro and Sapphire variants.